The daily worksheet in WISE option was designed not only for palpations. You also can have other types of reminders present on the daily worksheet, as we are going to explore later on other lessons. But the point is that through reminders, you can generate the list of patients or horses that should return for some sort of a procedure performed. And you can, from there, on one single spot, the daily worksheet, get those tasks completed, set as done. First thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to check all reminders, which is currently empty. If you look at my task description here, I so far have only palpations. So let me go ahead and use here my procedures, and I'm going to use the multiple data entries just to throw some reminders for different patients into the daily worksheet. So I'm going to say reminders. I'm going to try to deworm some horses. I'm just going to create a deworm, one entry, and I'm just saying reminders for 10:30. It's here, and I'm going to pick a few horses here. I'm going to just select a few patients, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's enough. So I'm going to submit. WISE option has just entered those reminders, 7 reminders successfully. So now if I refresh my list over here, I should have, instead of 10, I should have 17. There you go, 17 reminders. And right here you can see palpation, deworm, and so on. Same process. The only difference is that, a couple of things here that I can do. I can double click in one of these deworm procedures, or I should say reminders. And once I double click on that reminder, instead of opening the summary card, WISE option is going to actually open what we call split screen. The split screen we're going to explore in more details later, but basically it's called the split screen because on this side you have procedures and on this side you have reminders. So my deworm reminders for this patient is set right here. I can simply right click the mouse and set as done, which is going to remove from here and transfer to this side because now it's a performed procedure. And as soon as I close the screen and I refresh, you're going to see that that patient for reminder has been done and completed successfully. If it is something very straightforward that you don't have to open this split screen or enter more details, split screen is pretty good if you want to check if there's something else, or if you want to add comments, change or perform or simply reschedule, maybe I would go for the split screen in that case. Again, we are going to explore the split screen in more details under the procedures chapter in a different e-learning. But back to the daily worksheet, another thing that you can do, let's say that number 53 was just done. Instead of opening the split screen, I can simply use this button down here, check as done, and WISE option is going to just ask me about the inventory location. You just pick one, and the program is going to set that one as done. So you can easily, from the daily worksheet, also work with other reminders, not only palpations, which is pretty handy once you have more reminders. And as you can see here, this particular recipient, 117, was coming for palpation, but there was something else already present in her file to be done on the same day. So you just take the chance, instead of 2 trips back to the barn, so it expedites the process and you get things done in one shot. So today we've learned how to use other reminders in the daily worksheet and how to get things set as done. Thanks for watching.